Hello guys, so this time subtraction of integers by keep, change, addition rule. Okay, example number 1, negative 2 minus negative 5. So keep the negative 2, change the minus, change the negative 5. Okay, then proceed to addition rule. Negative 2 plus positive 5 is positive 3. Next, example number 2, 10 minus negative 7. Keep the 10, change the minus, change the negative 7, and then addition rule. So that is 10 plus 7 equals positive 17. Next, number 3, 6 minus positive 4. Keep the 6, change the minus, change the positive 4. Then proceed to addition rule. 6 plus negative 4 is positive 2. Next, example number 4, negative 12 minus positive 6. Keep the negative 12, change the minus, change the positive 6, proceed to addition rule. Okay, so the result is negative 18. Next, example number 5, negative 15 minus negative 10. So keep the negative 15, change the minus, change the negative 10, then proceed to addition rule. Okay, so the result is equal to negative 5. Okay, please comment your answer for number 6. So that is serve as your assignment. Please follow for more.